Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding. Following our free educational materials, you learn English in a great way with efficiency.
Meaning of rolling. A deep prolonged sound, as of thunder or large bells. Peel, peeling, roll. Propelling something on wheels. Wheeling. The act of robbing a helpless person. He was charged with rolling drunks in the park. Uttered with a trill. She used rolling R's as in Spanish. Rolled, trilled.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.